Your Python install came with 301 modules. I counted sys.stdlib module names 301. Most developers use maybe 10. The rest just sit there, a full toolbox you already paid the download for. So here's the game. 10 real problems solved with 0 pip installs. A web server, a database, 100,000x speedup, and near the end, a module so unknown it solves dependency ordering in 4 lines. All built in. Problem 1. Get a file from your laptop to your phone. No cable, no cloud upload. Python-http.server. That's it, your current folder is now a website on port 8000. Open your laptop's IP address on the phone, tap the file, done. Need a different folder? -D in the path. Different port? Just add the number. I use this weekly. It's faster than finding the USB cable. And it's the door into a theme you'll see all video. Half the standard library also works as a command line tool. Next. Your script needs a real database, and installing Postgres for a side project is overkill. Python ships SQLite, the actual database engine, version 3.45, compiled in. Connect to a file or to memory. Create a table, insert rows, query with real SQL. Order by score, and the top scorer comes back, Anna, 91. This is not a toy. SQLite is the most deployed database on Earth. Phones, browsers, and your Python install. And on Python 3.12, Python-m SQLite3 drops you into a live SQL prompt. Prototype the schema there, keep the file, ship it. Counting things. Everyone writes this loop, check if the key exists, add 1. Delete it. From collections, import counter. Feed it any iterable, it counts. Most common of 3, and you get a ranked list, the, 3 times, fox, twice. Word frequencies, log analysis, vote tallies, 1 import. Counters even do math, subtract 1 from another to diff 2 days of traffic. The loop you've written 100 times has been in the library for 15 years. Free speed. This recursive Fibonacci is clean, readable, and slow because it recomputes the same values millions of times. Fib of 35, I timed it 0.6 seconds. Now add 1 line. At cache, from functools. Python memorizes every answer as it goes. Same call, 5 microseconds. That's roughly 120,000 times faster from 1 decorator. Any pure function with repeat calls, API lookups, parsing, config loads gets this for free. There's a sized version too, LRU cache with a max size for when memory matters. 1 decorator, measure it yourself. You know how Git answers a typo with, "Did you mean commit?" That's not magic, and in Python it's a single call. Get close matches from difflib. User types commit. You hand it your command list, back comes commit. Misspell Python, it finds Python. Ship it in any CLI, any search box, any config validator. It scores by similarity under the hood, and you can tune the cutoff. Everyone thinks fuzzy matching needs a package. It is a package, it's just already installed. Timezones. The classic answer was install pytz and get burned by it. Modern Python. From zoneinfo, import zoneinfo, and the whole IANA database is right there. 5 p.m. in New York. Convert to Tokyo 6 a.m. the next day. London 10 p.m. same evening. Daylight saving handled. Historical changes handled. If you're scheduling anything across regions, meetings, cron jobs, message sends, this is the entire solution. No package, no API, and it plugs straight into datetime. Now the one I teased. Say you're building a deploy system. Install before build before test, test before deploy. Dependency ordering. This problem shows up in build tools, task runners, package managers, spreadsheets, and the naive solution is a graph algorithm interview question. Python solved it in the standard library, and almost nobody noticed. Graphlib. Describe the dependencies as a dict. Deploy needs test and build. Test needs build. Build needs install. Topological sorter, static order, and out comes the exact sequence. Install, build, test, deploy. Cycles? It raises and names the exact loop. This is the module I show people who say they know the standard library. Nobody knows this one. Security. If any string decides who gets in, password reset links, API keys, session tokens, stop using random. Random is predictable by design. That's what makes it fast. Python has a module literally named secrets. Token URL safe, 16, and that's a URL safe, cryptographically secure token. There's compare digest too for checking secrets without leaking timing. The rule is one sentence. Random is for games, secrets is for security. It's built in, so there's no excuse. Quick stats, without NumPy. The statistics module does mean median, standard deviation, quantiles, on plain lists. 6 response times, mean 3.0, median 2.95. Since Python 3.10, there's even correlation, feed it 2 series, and you get the relationship 0.775 here. For a dashboard, a report, a sanity check, and a test, you don't need the scientific stack. Lightning round, the -m toolbox. Pipe ugly JSON through python-mjson.tool, pretty printed. Python-m calendar, 2026, a whole year in your terminal. -m timeit benchmarks a snippet. -m gzip, -m base 64, -m uuid, compression, encoding, IDs, no installs. Python-m, this prints the Zen of Python. And the oldest Easter egg in the language, import anti-gravity. It opens a comic strip. It's been shipping with Python for over 15 years. That's 10 problems, 0 pip installs. 301 modules came with your interpreter, and we touched 11. The docs read like a catalog, docs.python.org/library. Pick one module a week. By December, you're the person everyone asks.